In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix error in message stream on ChatGPT. So if you are trying to generate content, but each and every time you generate a chat, you are getting this message, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and try to reload or to regenerate and see if this will generate your response without any issue. However, in most cases, this won't work. If it won't work, then head to the next step. Now, in the next step, go ahead and just start a new chat. One of the reasons why you might be getting this message is because you are on a thread that is quite long. It contains a lot of information. It is struggling to generate your new chats. So to fix this, just go ahead and click on new chat and then go ahead and paste your request and then generate. Now, in most cases, this should be able to fix your problem without any issue. However, if you're still encountering any challenge, then head to the next method, and that is go to your account down here. And if you click on it, go to settings. And this time around, go ahead and clear your ChatGPT memory. To clear memory, go to personalization, and under personalization, scroll down until you see memory here and click on manage. Here, head to these ellipses and then choose delete all memories, and here choose this option, also delete all past versions of saved memories. Go ahead and click on delete all and then go ahead and create a new chat, and this should solve your problem. Now, in most cases, at this point, you should be able to generate without any issue. However, if you're still encountering any challenge, then you might want to go ahead and log out of ChatGPT by just clicking on your account here and then log out. And once you have logged out, log in afresh and generate your content or chats without any issue. Should this not work, now head to the last method, and that is click on your browser menu here and then go to history. And this time around, choose history to clear all the history here. So you can see I have a lot of history, and it might be one of the reasons. So to clear history, just go to clear browser data, choose the length of period. You can choose a lifetime or the last 7 days, depending on how long you have been using ChatGPT, and then delete data by just clicking on this. Now, this will fix any issue that you might have been encountering, and at this point, you shouldn't have any issue with generating chats. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.